Hey everybody, I'm Brett Johnson with Superfici America. Today we're going to talk about our Nomad Mobile Drying Unit. Not every finishing operation needs a large drying system. Sometimes you just need a faster way to cure freshly coated parts no matter where you're working. That's where the Nomad comes in. The Nomad is a portable catalytic infrared drying solution designed for manufacturers using manual spray booths, small finishing rooms, or even on-site finishing applications. Its 4 adjustable infrared panels can be positioned to direct heat and infrared energy exactly where it's needed, helping accelerate curing while maintaining consistent finish. The system plugs into a standard 120 volt outlet, operates from a common 20-pound propane tank, providing more than 40 hours of operation, making it easy to move wherever additional drying capacity is needed. Whether you're looking to reduce drying time, improve finish quality, or increase production without adding a permanent drying system, the Nomad gives you flexibility to do more with the space you already have. To learn more about the Nomad and our complete lineup of standalone drying solutions, reach out to your local Superfici sales representative.